What's up, guys? Today I'm doing a long-awaited thing I've been wanting to do for my car for so long. I'm finally getting to it today. I am changing out the OEM downpipe, putting on a MAPerformance catted downpipe, and I'm gonna get it all tuned and I'll show you guys the whole process. Box, look at this dirty little box when they get punished. Shout out Lowe's for the safety thing. I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped. Oh yeah, damn, bro. This is so nice. Wow, good packaging, everything. Gotta say. So this, wow, man, I can't wait to get this on the car. Let's set this down right here. And this should be the J-pipe section. And I feel it's a little bit heavier in the front, so that means there's a cat over there. Woo. It's okay. So this is what we got right here. J-pipe. We got the downpipe all set up over here. Smooth everything. Actually, oh man, I gotta see if they have. Oh man, I just got super nervous for a second. I thought we didn't have the hardware. So here we have the J-pipe gasket and then the cat back gasket. Looks like I got some bolts over here, some stud things over here. So everything should be right here, and we have everything there. So I'm really impressed. This is really awesome because I was worried I would have been screwed if they didn't have this. Okay, everything is up off the ground. Now it is time to remove this plastic bit right there. All right, here we are so far. Getting pop clips out, getting some of the bolts out. I would definitely recommend having some safety glasses because, dude, my hair, there's so many rocks that every time I freaking take a pop clip out, just rocks in my freaking face. Tastes so good too. Just gotta splash it out. Now this exposes what you can see as the turbo. That's the turbo, and that is the culprit right there, the infamous downpipe. Okay, guys, next up is to remove the skid plate, and as you can see, I've been skidding, yo. We got 12s all around, I believe. 4 bolts, 12s. One out. Let's do the next one. 2 out. Oh, I might need both hands for this one, but last one. All right, as you can see, everything is fully exposed. I have to get this heat shield off, then get the O2 sensor off back here, and the O2 sensor up there. After that, I have to get these 4 bolts off, and then those bolts down there. Get the heat shield off, man. He's getting, got these 2 out. Last one, 2 up there. O2 sensor. Out.
Okay, with O2 sensors, you can't touch the tip with your fingers.
And I just gotta get that tuned real quick. Got that one out, yo. Oh, that's that stubby.
Yeah, I'm telling you, these ratchets are nice. Did you see what I did though?
Yeah, bro, you just fucked up.
Put a 12 point on a smaller 12 point. So
yeah, and then just...
It was a 13.
Yeah.
I put a 12 inch on it and hammered that fucker on.
There you go. We might have to do it. We might have to do it for the other one too.
No, that one's not stripped.
Okay, well that's insane.
But it's just a pain in the ass to get to.
Yeah.
You gotta remove the shroud.
Yeah.
But
I think it's just 1 bolt on the top of that. But yeah, so we got 2. So the 3rd one out. Let's go.
On the YouTube.
Yeah. So we just have the heat shields out. We got 1 last bolt and it's up there, so we're gonna try to get that to that right now. We got the last one loose. It's coming off right now.
It's like I'm coming.
Chill with that.
Oh, is this
just took off the ground over here. Gotta get that O2 sensor.
That's big.
Big, like something else.
Just like me.
Chill
What
that.
the
Yo, chill.
Aww.
Alright, so we just gotta get those hangers off and stuff like that down. So.
Yeah, brother! Look at him go, man. Is it almost out?
No.
Oh, no. Bazooka! Bazooka fuck me. There we go. There it is. There it is, boys. Woo! Just got these O2 sensors on, man. We got one on the top, one on the bottom. We're gonna slap it on the car. Let's see it, man. Oh, he's huffing. Oh, he's huffing. Oh, hell no. Okay, yeah, now he's stroking it up, lubing it up real nice. There you go, Nick. Make it nice and clean. Nice and clean. Yep, there you go.
Look at all that.
Yeah. Really? Alright. It's gonna be here for the reveal.
It's here when it's done.
Hopefully.
Understood.
Here you go, Big Papa.
It's actually fun. I love installing aftermarket parts. I hate installing factory parts.
Yeah, it's not fun, bro. And it's gonna be an actual result, like a huge result.
Because they actually improved this to make it easier to install the O2 sensor placement.
Yeah.
Which is nice. So I could have installed it with the O2 sensor.
Oh, they changed the spot for it.
We don't need that. That's for the...
This is just for the heat shield, right?
Yeah. You can either sell your heat shield or marketplace to somebody trying to turn their Subaru back to stock.
No, I don't want that bull crap. Ooh, this is gonna be satisfying.
Ooh,
That was satisfaction. Oh yeah. Oh, I see. Put it to the side, bro. That's so genius.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this guy now, then.
What's your thing?
Yep. Actually, no. That'd be like a month for like what? Wait, 125 times 2, 3, 4 times 4.
Oh, I got proof for a credit card yesterday.
For what?
A credit card.
Oh yeah, I might get a credit card here soon.
It's just global credit union. They're basic. It's secured.
I still don't have a credit card.
Yeah.
I need to get one. I need to get one.
No, I don't have. I didn't have a credit card.
My pops
I'm
hates
20
credit
with like
cards.
no credit.
Yeah, I'm 21 with no
I
credit.
need credit.
I'm not afraid to die. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. It's fake. People are born when this song came out. Well, I wasn't in high school. I was in college. Well, I'm in college, so I use it now. But in high school, I don't know. It was just too.
We had to undo this bracket.
Undo the bracket for the O2 sensor and then put it in. But right there, we just got those two bolts tightened up. Oh, they're good, but I bought my tune today. It's currently Saturday, right?
Saturday
And,
at 3 o'clock, pretty much.
Yeah. So I bought it about as soon as I woke up. Oh, I bought it like a couple hours ago, and I was expecting it to be done or at least have a cob off the shelf like tune to use until I can get the actual tune. But like we couldn't find any online, so we're just gonna start it up here. But I'm not gonna drive it until a tuner comes back to me. Unfortunately, that's gonna be probably Monday. And so I got work on Monday, so we'll see what happens. But we're gonna start it here. Make sure there's no exhaust leaks, you know. So we're gonna get a little sound clip,
I'm misfiring all 4 cylinders.
Y'all gotta chill, bro. Alright. You ready? Y'all ready? I'm scared, bro. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
My phone just died, chat.
Alright guys, I'm inside the car right now. I went ahead and I actually flashed it. So I finally got the tune, flashed it. It's on here, waiting for it to do the logs. I'm just waiting for it to warm up. And so once it warms up completely and I start seeing the right the right things on my gauge, then I can start doing some logging. And I think the first log I'm gonna do is an idle log. It's like 4 to 5 minutes idling. I'm gonna do that. and the next one's like a cruising, and then like a wide open throttle. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I want to make sure to listen out for anything. This is my first POV drive. I'm just logging the car, and it just sounds so good. Pops are definitely way loud, bruh. Man, I regret not doing this sooner, bruh. Oh my gosh, I should have done this as soon as I bought the freaking car, bruh. Alright guys, so it has been about a week since I installed the downpipe. I got everything fully tuned by Ambot Tuning. It took about a week process just because it's sending logs back and forth. He was really good though, overall. Tuning experience, super easy, good. Now I'm gonna just do a little POV drive, going to the gym. Yeah, here's a little culture out for you guys as well. 3, 2. Sounds absolutely insane. That cold start is just so brutal, man. My whole family hates me, but it's you can hear the turbo while backing up. It just sounds so good, dude. Oh my. So you say. Sounds so freaking good, bro. Turbo is so loud, bruh. The turbo is literally so, it's actually insane. Between the intake and the downpipe, like, oh my gosh. All you hear is just turbo noises, just constantly. So when I first installed it, I had some rattling issues and stuff like that. It was just the exhaust shield, and then actually really stupid is I actually literally the bolts, the nuts holding in my downpipe literally just came off. So basically my downpipe came off after I installed it, after a few full wide open throttle pulls for my tuner. My chicken tune light came on, and it was like catalytic converter inefficient or something like that. And so I had to fix that, but I just tightened it on super hard. I think I didn't tighten them super crazy. So that's what I'm guessing. Turbo's so loud, bro. It's so sick. Oh, I just a massive pothole right here. It's really nice. I'm gonna hit some downshifts real quick. Little pop right there. Even the pops are different. The pops are so much more like, a lot more poppy, if that makes sense. Like deep. Before the pops were like pop. Now these ones, they're coming from like the actual engine being a little more open and more exhaust fumes getting let out. Fresh tune. I'm tuned for 90 octane. Oh yeah. This is oh, next WRX over there. Favorite part, man. My favorite part is just listening to my turbo spool when I'm going in reverse, and the little pops at the end. My favorite, dude. I hope that picked up, man. Freaking sounds amazing. All right, and that's it. I'm at the gym now, about to hit a lift. Make sure to like, subscribe. That's it for this video. Thank you, guys.